Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Minecraft Java with friends. So first things first, you have to open or log in to your Minecraft, and then here you have to tap on the single player option. You have to click this one right here and then basically create a new world, or if you have your world already, then all you have to do is to play. Now, once you are in your new world or play selected world, and then what you're going to do next is you have to tap on the escape option. And this time you have to look for the LAN settings. So if I'm going to tap escape right here, I have to click this LAN world and then enter the game again. After that, I'm going to escape and then save this one. Now, if I'm going to tap on the escape option again, I should see this multiplayer. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to basically select a or open to LAN. You can select game settings, creative, survival, sheets on and off, select start LAN world. Other players go to multiplayer and the LAN world will appear. If you're not on the same Wi-Fi, you can use VPN software and just to trick the game into thinking you are. So basically, this is the way on how to play Minecraft Shadow with friends. If you use LAN World, you should use the same Wi-Fi or host your own server in order for you to do that. So thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.